Okay, so the problem I have is find the perimeter, or find the area of a divided rectangle. So my problem is the perimeter of a field that has been divided into 3 equal sections. So that would be divided into 3 sections. And then we can call this side x, and this side x, and this side y. And then all these are going to be y. Divided into 3 equal sections is 64 feet. So we know that the perimeter is 64 feet. So we need to find the maximum area of each field and the dimensions. So since we know perimeter, we can set this up 64 equals 2x plus 4y, and we need to find area, so a equals x times y. Now the first thing we're going to do is relate x, we're going to relate y to x, so we're going to get 64 minus 2x equals 4y, and divide everything by 4. We get 32 minus x over 2 equals y. So after that, we can set it up as a equals x times 32 over 2 minus 1/2 x, and then simplify that again to 16x minus 1/2 x squared. And then take the derivative of this. So a prime is going to equal 16 minus x. So we set this equal to 0, and that's going to give us x equals 16. So now we're going to take our derivative sign chart, x over a prime. Since we only have 16, so x is less than 16, and also x is greater than 16. We know that this is 0. So if we plug in a 0 into this, we're going to get a positive number. And if we plug in, like, say, 17, it'll end up negative. So we know that this is definitely a max, like our problem required us to. So now we need to find our y, which is going to be, set it up as 32 minus 16 over 2 equals y. And that's going to give us y equals 8. Okay. So our dimensions are going to be x equals 16 feet and y equals 8 feet. Now this asks for the area, so we're going to get a equals 16 times 8, and that's going to give us an area of 128. But now the problem didn't ask for the area of the full, it asked for the area of each separate field, so we're going to have to divide 128 divided by 3, and that's going to give us the maximum area of the fields is going to equal 42.667 feet squared, because it's an area, and that's going to be the answer.